Across the calm waters of southern China lies one of the world's most remarkable farming operations. Every year, more than 5 million tons of tilapia are produced here, quietly surpassing salmon and tuna to become the most consumed fish on the planet. Yet few people know what happens beneath the surface. Behind every fillet in the supermarket lies an intricate web of science, automation, and precision aquaculture. China, which produces nearly 70% of the world's tilapia, has turned fish farming into a technological art form, combining artificial intelligence, environmental engineering, and genetic science. This is not just farming, it's a revolution underwater. Today we'll dive into the journey of tilapia, from advanced breeding centers to sprawling aquaculture systems, and finally, to the global market that feeds millions of people every day. It all begins in the hatcheries, where scientists selectively breed the next generation of tilapia. By studying genetics and using selective crossbreeding, they create broodstock that grow nearly twice as fast as wild varieties and resist common diseases more effectively. Each brood female can lay thousands of eggs, and in a fascinating twist of nature, she protects them inside her mouth until they hatch, a behavior known as mouth brooding. Once the larvae emerge, they are carefully transferred into nursery tanks. Here, automated systems monitor every aspect of their tiny world: pH, oxygen levels, temperature, and clarity, all controlled by intelligent algorithms that keep the environment perfectly balanced. Feeding happens multiple times per day using high-protein micro-diets dispensed automatically by smart feeders that analyze fish movement to prevent waste. By the time they are a month old, these fingerlings are strong enough to be moved to larger tanks or outdoor ponds, the beginning of their real journey. In modern China, tilapia farming operates on two main scales: traditional earthen ponds across rural provinces and cutting-edge recirculating aquaculture systems (RAS) in industrial zones. While small farmers rely on natural water sources, high-tech farms recycle up to 85% of their water, raising 4 times more fish per cubic meter, while keeping waste to a minimum. Biological filters clean the water, while oxygen injectors and sensors maintain ideal conditions 24/7. AI cameras monitor fish movement, adjusting feed and detecting early signs of disease to reduce antibiotic use. Every fish is tracked, every tank optimized, creating a precise balance between productivity and sustainability. Here, data, water, and life flow together in perfect rhythm. Healthy fish mean quality food. That's why farmers focus daily on 3 things: nutrition, water quality, and hygiene. Tilapia are fed protein-rich pellets packed with vitamins and minerals for fast, even growth. Smart feeders guided by AI release just enough food preventing waste that could pollute the water. Sensors constantly check pH, oxygen, and temperature, while farmers use natural probiotics instead of harsh chemicals to keep disease away. Dead or weak fish are quickly removed, ensuring a clean and stable ecosystem. Each pond becomes a miniature world, carefully balanced, self-sustaining, and ready to deliver fish of the highest quality to global markets. After 6 to 9 months of patient care, the tilapia finally reach market size, usually between half a kilogram and 800 grams each. This is the moment every farmer waits for the harvest. On smaller family-run ponds, workers wade into the water with wide nets, moving carefully to avoid stressing the fish. Each scoop brings hundreds of shimmering bodies, proof of months of steady growth. But on industrial farms, the process looks very different. Automated harvesters equipped with gentle suction systems can collect up to 12 tons of fish per hour without harming their delicate scales or flesh. The harvested fish are transferred immediately into oxygenated transport tanks, where real-time sensors monitor oxygen and temperature. Every movement from pond to truck is tracked digitally for traceability and food safety. In this industry, time is everything. A delay of even an hour can change the texture, taste, and value of the fish. At massive processing plants near China's coastal provinces, the freshly harvested tilapia arrive in refrigerated tanks. The fish are first stunned and bled humanely, a crucial step that keeps the flesh white and mild. Next, teams of skilled workers, supported by high-speed filleting machines, remove scales, guts, and bones. Some modern facilities process up to 5,000 fish per hour, with robotic cutters ensuring every fillet has a consistent shape and weight. The fillets pass through X-ray scanners to detect bones and imperfections. Once inspected, they are chilled or flash frozen within minutes to preserve their natural flavor and texture. Depending on the destination market, each batch is vacuum-packed, portioned, or IQF individually quick frozen for export. Traceability systems, often using blockchain technology, record every stage of production from farm to shipment. This transparency has become essential for buyers in Europe and North America, where consumers demand accountability and safety in every bite. With more than $10 billion in global value, tilapia has become a quiet giant of the seafood world. China leads production, exporting to over 100 countries from the US to Japan and Europe. Thanks to its mild taste and firm texture, tilapia fits every cuisine steamed with herbs in Asia, grilled or baked in Western kitchens. Premium lines labeled organic or antibiotic-free are now entering high-end restaurants, proving how far this humble fish has come. From ponds in Guangxi to dinner tables in New York, each shipment tells the same story: efficiency, quality, and trust. Tilapia farming is one of the most eco-efficient forms of aquaculture today. Because tilapia feed mainly on plants and algae, they reduce the need for wild-caught fish meal and protect marine ecosystems. Modern systems reuse up to 85% of water-cut waste and rely on natural filtration instead of chemicals. Many farms now adopt eco-certifications and green labels, proving sustainability isn't just possible, it's profitable. Tilapia is showing the world that feeding millions doesn't have to harm the planet. From a tiny egg sheltered in its mother's mouth to a fillet on someone's plate, tilapia's story is one of innovation and care. Behind every shipment are thousands of farmers and engineers combining science with tradition to create food for the future. Once a local staple, tilapia has become a global symbol of sustainable protein, proof that technology and nature can thrive together. From China's still waters to tables around the world, every fish carries the taste of patience, precision, and progress.